This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Cadillac Escalade battery. First, prioritize your safety by wearing appropriate protective gear, such as safety glasses and gloves. Next, gather all the necessary tools, including a 10mm and 13mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Finally, locate your vehicle's battery, which is usually found under the hood, but can sometimes be under the rear passenger seat. With safety measures in place, it's time to disconnect the old battery. Ensure your vehicle is completely off and the key is out of the ignition. Using a 13mm wrench, first loosen and remove the negative battery cable, which is usually black. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive battery cable, typically red. Finally, remove the battery hold-down clamp, often secured by a 10mm bolt, to fully release the battery. Now that the old battery is disconnected, carefully lift it out of the tray. Remember, it can weigh over 40 pounds. Take this opportunity to thoroughly clean the battery tray and the cable terminals using a wire brush and battery terminal cleaner to ensure good contact. Once clean, gently lower the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits flat and securely. Reinstall the battery hold-down clamp, tightening it firmly to prevent movement. With the new battery in place, it's time to connect it. First, attach the positive battery cable, the red one, to the new battery's positive terminal and tighten it securely with a 13mm wrench. Next, connect the negative battery cable, the black one, to the negative terminal and tighten it firmly. Double-check all connections to ensure they are snug. Finally, start your Cadillac Escalade to confirm the successful battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.